Hi, I'm Jim, and I'm here today to talk about how you edit your anamorphic footage from your DJI Osmo Pocket 1 in some type of post-processing software. Today, I'll be showing how to do it specifically with Final Cut Pro on a Mac operating system. Hi, I'm Jim. I'm a hobbyist. I like playing with gear, I like learning stuff. So on my channel, I try to share everything that I learn and bring value back to you. Hopefully you watch my videos and you subscribe and click the like button below. So you probably own an Osmo Pocket, which you've had for some time. I know, it's pretty cool. Flipping it and watching it spin when it's not in a powered state. Pretty neat how they balance that stuff. And you probably own a few sets of these, whether they're filters, which are ND filters, or whether they are some type of different lenses. In this case, this is a wide-angle lens as well as an anamorphic lens, both by Freewell. Actually, today, DJI released Osmo Pocket 2. I don't own it. I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase it yet at the moment. I'm still happy with my Osmo Pocket 1. So to bring it back to full circle now, so you own Freewell's anamorphic lens, and you've recorded some footage, and it looks funny. It doesn't look correct. Well, you're going to want to desqueeze it and set it up appropriately in your third-party post-processing software in order to see the footage the way it's supposed to be seen. Based on the Freewell website, which I'll link below, they mentioned that the squeeze factor is 1.15. So you'll see the adjustments that we're going to make through the video will align with that. All right, well, here we go. Let's check it out and switch over to the Final Cut Pro interface. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new project. Name it whatever you want. In this case, I'm naming it Anamorphic Osmo Pocket. It could be anything you wish. And then from the drop-down menu, you're going to want to select Custom because we're going to adjust the resolution. We're going to change the values that are there. In this case, what was shown is the HD resolution. We're going to want to change it over to 4K resolution. The width, we can adjust it already. We know what it is. In terms of the height, we're going to need to calculate it. So we know what 2160 is the resolution that's there originally. We're going to want to adjust it by 1.15. You can use a calculator to calculate this. And you get the new value of 1878. You're going to want to set that as the resolution within the video file in the project. And now we're ready to start editing. Click the project that we just created. You want to validate in terms of the information that we have the appropriate file. And we can see that here. It's the value that we edited. Now all you need to do is drag in some footage. You got your footage. As you can see, there's the black bars on the side. That's because it needs to be desqueezed. And given that we shrunk it in the height area, we want to stretch it in the width. And the stretch factor is 1.15, so we have to move our value to 115%. Now if you go back and watch your video, the video looks perfect. Nicely desqueezed footage. Excellent. Well, if you like this video, please click below to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what your experience is with the anamorphic lens from Freewell. Tell me if you like it, if you don't like it, and so on. I haven't really tested it in the nighttime. Maybe in the near future I'll start testing it a little bit more, and hopefully I can provide some sample footage of it as well. But for now, go out and create content, record stuff, and enjoy the lens in the DJI Osmo Pocket. And now you know how to handle it in post-processing. So, excellent.